Way oh hey, 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 way oh hey.
Ani Bojo, Frida Dijna Kazian, Shishigwani Donjaba. I've been bus driving for 2.5 years, and I came to Kenjgewin Tech to get an education. I graduated through the ACE program with Cambridge College, and then I came back in September, and I didn't know what I was gonna get into, and they got me, the counselors here at Kenjgewin Tech got me connected with the transition program, and I didn't expect myself to be in university. I don't know, I thought that was just way out of my league. But I went into the program, and actually I learned a lot about who I was as a Anishinaabe.
I honestly had to say I looked down on myself for being First Nations. I thought I wasn't equal. I thought I wasn't capable of acquiring such an education that anyone could say, hey, look at this guy. He has a very promising future. I've never seen that until I came into the transitions course, and it's really opened my horizons, opened my eyes, and I can see a lot more clearly that everything I was taught, everything I was led to believe in my early years was all false. So I very much do enjoy myself, and I very much do enjoy picking myself up in the mornings, dragging myself to school, hearing laughter throughout the halls, hearing my classmates' stories, whatever they had, the problems in which they had on whatever assignments, how we can work together. Not only that we're a small class, but it really bonds us a lot more. It brings us a lot closer together, where I can interact one-on-one with my classmates and the instructor. For the transitions, I do highly recommend for anyone else, First Nations and non-Native, to pursue this. Take this. Dip your toe in the water, see how it feels. I guarantee you'll love it. You'll like it.
Took the transitions. I thought I was only going to have 1 year of university, but we almost reached the end of our year, and I'm leaving with 2 years of university. So it's very exciting. I started school. I've been going to school in Chiging my whole life, and I finished high school, graduated in 2010. I took a year off. I went to school at Sioux College, and I really wasn't ready for college, didn't know what I really wanted. I also took another break. I really didn't know what I was going to do. I know I wanted to help people, but finding a place to finish off school and really get my feet dirty and do what I want to do was very difficult. But being offered a place in the transitions program here at Kenjgewin Tech, I don't regret coming to school here, and there's a lot of people here that will help you. A lot of support, and you get really close with your classmates. It's a very intimate spot. Anyways, you get a lot of learning done here, and you get to know your teachers. There's a lot of one-on-one time. It's a very good place to go. I suggest anybody that wants to go to school and pick a field and find out what they really want to do is to go to transitions. It will help you lead you into the direction that you're supposed to be headed.
Way oh hey.